City of Gold Coast realised that their legacy system was unsupportable and realised that they needed to go to market to learn and discover what replacement systems could bring them into the 21st century. So the project that we did here was to provide a turnkey chambers solution to replace an existing system which was aged. Just inconsistent results, which was frustrating for users and certainly frustrating for members of the public who would like to view what goes on in chambers. We listened to what council wanted, and through their consultation process we were able to deliver what they really needed. Included in those needs was a new and reliable conferencing system which included video. Prior to that it was audio only, so when each of the councillors is now able to clearly read and view what's being discussed at the time. The day prior to council meetings we actually have a turn down service, so we're actually testing the system to make sure it works prior to council chambers meetings. It's been a pretty exciting project because of the relationship that we've created with the City of Gold Coast, and the types of equipment that we've been able to deploy has been pretty exciting. We're now using this as a benchmark to assist other councils in their decisions. Mainly the televic conferencing systems we've now deployed at Brisbane City Council, City of Gold Coast, and we're about to complete a project for Ipswich City Council. Televic conferencing solutions offer an end-to-end system, so we're not required to use any other third party, which would make it a perfect choice here for City of Gold Coast. So the wow factors in here include the Barco LED displays. They're 138-inch full high definition displays. So we have 4 cameras in place that will track to predetermined positions depending on who's pressed their push to talk button at the time. We have an extreme wide angle camera which captures an extreme wide angle view of the room. Each of the delegate units include a 10-inch display with camera, microphone, speaker. We've also been able to include an e-ink nameplate for each of the delegates as well. ProAV Solutions will support Tier 1 vendors only. We can guarantee the level of support from these organisations such as Bose and Televic. So these are world's best brands. If we have any problems with them, we're able to leverage the relationships that we have with those vendors. ProAV Solutions are the council experts. In fact, we've delivered over 35 solutions nationally. Certainly in council chambers now, this is the premium space in our portfolio. To maintain the agreed service level agreement, we've included redundancy equipment, which means that there's 2 components of each of the significant components of the system. So if there's a power outage or equipment failure, the meeting is not likely to be interrupted. The relationship and the outcome with councils has been received very well. We were able to deliver the project on time and on budget. The value that we add is the trusted advisor status that we've attained with the City of Gold Coast. So City of Gold Coast now trusts ProAV Solutions to deliver that service and support that we promised that we would, and it really becomes a true partnership between ProAV Solutions and our customers.